Smile with Miss Wagashi TV. Today I will show you how to make the dorayaki that is filled with whipped cream. This is a new style dorayaki combining Western cream buns and traditional Japanese desserts. First, I will make the pancake batter for dorayaki. Put the baking soda and water in a small mixing bowl. Stir until the baking soda is dissolved in the water. Then, add honey to the mixture and stir. Put an egg and sugar in a large mixing bowl and beat with an electric hand mixer until well mixed. Then add the baking soda mixture. Sift the flour into the egg mixture. Add the baking powder and stir until well mixed. Then add water and stir. Cover the mixing bowl with a plastic wrap and let's rest the batter for 30 minutes. While waiting for the batter to be ready, let's prepare the filling. Round the red bean paste into balls. Pour the cream into a mixing bowl and add sugar to the cream. Beat the cream with an electric mixer until it forms peaks. Peaks are firm, stable, and hold position. I will transfer my whipped cream to a piping bag. Now I'm going to make the pancakes. Grease the non-stick pan and heat well. Remove the excessive oil on the pan with a paper towel. Let's take the pancake batter. Pour the mixture over the pan and cook over the low-medium heat until the bubbles appear on the surface. Then, flip the pancake over and cook for further 40 seconds to 1 minute. Cover the pancake under plastic wrap to prevent them from drying. I will put the red bean paste and the cream between the pancakes and make a dorayaki. Take a piece of pancake, place the bean paste and pipe the cream on the bean paste. Top with a pancake. The dorayaki with whipped cream is complete now. Let's give it a try. The pancakes are so fluffy and moist. The light texture of whipped cream and the sweet bean paste is one of the best dorayaki combinations I can think of. Instead of whipped cream, you can try vanilla ice cream to achieve equally delicious results. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV and see you in my next video. Bye bye!